Hello all of you, super duper excited to announce that one-shot chapter-wise revision of costing for CA-CMA inter students is starting on 20th of July 7 p.m. live in CA Deepti Chhera's YouTube channel. So join us live, revise the concept with the help of the booster notes, prepare thoroughly, and very important problems all will be solved. Right, so 7 p.m. today evening we are starting this. And along with this, the practice batch is already ready, pre-recorded, and you can download Concept Classes app and take the benefit of that. The schedule of these one-shot revision lectures will be according to your booster exam timetable, which is already out in Telegram and WhatsApp. So according to that, we will be meeting 7 p.m. live. We will be doing one-shot revision, and open paper correction will be done with Deepti ma'am on Zoom. All the best. Take your preparation at next level with this.